Welcome back to today's brand new compilation of when all the brakes were removed, when drivers have to look underneath their vehicles, and when wrong way drivers do their best. A classic situation where reckless drivers make turns without paying attention to other drivers. This is the collapse of a bridge in India. Luckily, it was still under construction, so no one was injured in the accident. It's clear that this driver should have their license revoked permanently for driving in the wrong lane and being extremely reckless, which caused a crazy collision with innocent people. This is the longest line of car collisions I've ever seen. It looks like there was an accident on the other side of the tunnel that made the cars behind brake suddenly and collided. Do you call it express check-in? Luckily, there's no one at the desk at this moment. It looks like this place really needs stop signs. Drivers often speed through roads like this, and that sometimes leads to a lot of unfortunate accidents. If you think you already had a bad day, check this out. There were so many vehicles that got crashed at the base. This has sparked criticism of the police, while some people sympathize for them. The driver of the car was swerving and reacting slowly, looking like he wasn't fully alert. Let's hope he's just drunk.
Там вода снизу, там уже все, первая полоса, все провалилась.
Смотрите куда. Блин,
Да, прям вода горячая. Прям в срочном порядке надо.
Она колыхает.
Она еще сейчас дальше будет обваливаться.
Дальше смотрите будет.
There were no signs that the garbage truck driver intended to stop or think twice. It's unclear how many times he's done this before. It looks like the weight shifted to one side, damaging the hydraulic system. Because of the pressure, it exploded and jolted the truck. This is probably why many people find skaters annoying, for some of them just don't pay attention to traffic. The survival instinct really saved the pedestrian, but the problem here is the red runner with the insane speed.
Okay? I'm going to warn you though, because the citation's $200, okay? So don't take this as...
Jeez, oh my God!
This is why you shouldn't stand with your back to the main lanes when you park your car. I wonder who would dare to stop on a highway recklessly like this. That's really a serious crash. However, you can see that the green car being hit actually saved the pedestrian. This crash was caused by a drunk driver. Luckily, it seems like no one was hurt in this incident.
Yeah, that's fine.
Holy sh!
One of the biggest
fire.
problems in accidents like this is that the cars can catch fire or even explode. Luckily, this incident didn't get worse.
Hold on a second, babe. Holy sh!
What happened?
The driver must have just moved here from North Dakota, isn't he? Another accident where the driver tried to park but failed. This incident was captured by cameras in Orange County, California. You can see that quite a few cars were hit. It looks like about 2 or 3 cars were involved in this accident, and it seems they were driving together, probably in an illegal race.
Your dog's in that car safely.
This is the scene of a similar incident that happened on A1A highway. You can see there are a lot of cars parked here, but luckily the driver didn't hit any of them. The driver just wanted to turn into the gas station, but overcorrected after going too fast. But it doesn't end there. The gray Lexus stopped in the middle of the road, which is really dangerous. The police are still shaken after the gas station staff saved them. Look at this car. It's swerving a lot and even running on the shoulder. It looks like a drunk guy is driving it. It's not surprising that it finally crashed. Thank you for watching Big Crash Channel's videos. If you enjoyed our journey of discovery, don't miss out on what's next. Subscribe, like, and share our videos. See you soon.